Some mornings call for corndoughporridge porridge or morikoko. Stay with me as I take you through the process on how to make the best morikoko. Okay, and you will love it. If you are new to this channel, I am Hirat and you are welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video and share this video as well. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop any video. So here I have my fermented corn dough, and if you want to know how to make this corn dough, I already have a video of it and I will leave the link down in the description box for you to check out later. In a big bowl, I will add my fermented corn dough and then I will add water. So if you are an adult and you are just taking this porridge without any kid, then you need to skip the sieving part, okay, if you prefer, and you can sieve it as well. Each way is fine, but if you are giving it to kids, make sure to sieve it so it will be smooth for them. So I will continue to mix it till it is smooth, and here you can use your hands if you prefer. So after that, I will use my sieve to sift it once. You can sift it twice if you want. So I will do this so I get a smooth mixture. I will add water to the chaff and then sieve it once more because I don't want to waste anything here. On a medium heat, I will add water to my pot, and then this is negro pepper. And here I am going to crush it and then put it in the water, and I will cover the water and allow it to come to a boil. I added the negro peppers because of flame, especially when kids are involved, okay? So I will stir the mixture once again, and then when my water boils, you can actually skip the negro peppers if you are not a fan of them, okay? Pour the mixture gently into your boiling water. Stir continuously till it thickens up. And if you don't want this process, you can just put your corn dough mixture directly on the fire and be stirring it continuously as it thickens up, okay? So here, this is the thickness of my porridge. And if you are not okay with the thickness, you can just add water and you are good. And here I added a pinch of salt, and I am going to stir it for it to be well incorporated. So I added this for taste, but you can skip it, okay? And if you notice your porridge is forming lumps, just add a little bit of water, keep on stirring, and then you're good to go. So here I will allow it to simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, and then our corn dough porridge is ready. This is the best homemade corn dough porridge you can make for less, okay? Just try this recipe for your family during weekends and they will surely love this, okay? So I am going to dish it out, and then I will add some sugar to taste, and here you can add any sweetener of choice. And here I added some roasted peanuts and then milk. And you can skip any of it if you are not cool, okay? And I am going to enjoy this corn dough porridge or morikoko. Just try this recipe and you'll love it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, okay, before you forget. And please don't forget to like this video, share this video, and turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop a new video. See you in the next one. Bye.